niggas don't know what starving is. Especially when you down to your last and now you robbing his. You can play dumb long as they don't know how smart you is. I'm riding through the slums right where my old apartment is. If it's a problem, hit my jack, we can meet her. Had a problem trying to stack, I kept on fucking up my re-up. Niggas having girl problems, I feel bad. Getting bad coke was the only girl problems that I had. Count the cash I can add, ain't no problem doing math. I pray this Glock gon' subtract every problem in my path. I got a family to feed, so it's a problem if I crash. I'm still dealing with the trauma from the problems in my past. It's a problem when the wolves ain't eating, and there's niggas in your circle from your hood ain't speaking. Now your own block beef and they was good last week. Instead of sticking together, niggas rather be competing. That's a
You say I'm so